eyes and words are so icy, oh, but she burns like rum on the fire. Hot and fast and angry as she can be, I walk my days on a wire. It looks ugly, but it's clean. Oh mama, don't fuss over me. Way she tells me I'm hers and she's mine. Open hand or a closed fist would be fine. The blood is red and sweet as cherry wine. Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on one. Don't wake me, I'm not dreaming. Past times could never hold me down. Lost love, sweeter when it's finally gone.
have to stop romanticizing cottagecore. You wake up at 12. Who's gonna milk the cows at 4 in the morning? Not you. You can't have tea parties all day. It doesn't work like that, and you're gonna be disappointed by your unrealistic expectations.
Pumpkin, pumpkin, you're gonna kill me. Pumpkin, pumpkin, la 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 la. Pumpkin, pumpkin, I need you to feel me. Pumpkin, pumpkin, la 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 la.
Just like a willow, we would cry an ocean if we lost true love and sweet devotion. Your lips excite me, let your arms invite me, for who knows when we'll meet again this way.
Legend has it that the moss grows on the north side of the trees. Well, legend has it when the rains come down, all the worms come up to breathe.
Writing and journaling have been one of the biggest lifelines for me. These are all of the journals that I filled since I was 8 years old to 18, almost 19, so a total of 15 journals. I even make some like this one I made from scratch and I filled it. But going back and reading the times that I've been through, and I mean in high school when I thought that my life was completely over when I lost a lot of my friends, to now being at a point where I have the truest friends in my entire life. It's really amazing to look at that growth, and I thought that maybe sharing some of these entries with you would help you to understand that maybe we all think similarly, and maybe it would bring you peace. So if you're interested in peering into a stranger's life and her deepest, darkest secrets in her journal, follow along. I probably won't share my deepest, darkest secrets with you, by the way, but whatever I feel like sharing.
I wanna move to a cabin in the woods, drink some coffee in the morning. We can go out if the weather's good, or watch some TV if it's pouring. I wanna live with no one else around for at least 100 miles. Think